Hi friends, many people ask me how we can save more. Here I have arranged some information for you, from where you can save during your student life. Here, I am telling 8 ways that how can you save on your routine expenses. Number 1, buy textbooks, clothes, and furniture second-hand. Number 2, seek out student discounts in person and online. Number 3, prepare food at home and cook your own meals. Number 4, get food and household items for free. Number 5, be conscious of your energy consumption. Number 6, shop smart and sustainable. Number 7, invest in a national rail card to save 30% on train travel. Number 8, save on train fares with split ticketing. Friend, let's start. I will tell you in detail how you can spend smartly. Number 1, buy textbooks, clothes, and furniture second-hand. Friends, try to shopping second-hand is a quick, easy and sustainable way to save yourself a significant amount of money for almost anything you might want or need to buy during your studies. For example, textbooks, household items, furniture, clothes, etc. When it comes to buying textbooks online, or any other book you might be interested in reading, beyond Amazon secondhand, eBay, books and the book depository are good places to look. Some of the most well-known shops in the UK where you can buy second-hand items like Oxfam, the British Heart Foundation, Cancer Research, Shelter and Mind. When it comes to buying and selling second-hand clothing and accessories, Vinted and Depop are popular amongst students. And also, find and sell all kinds of used items online. With Gumtree, eBay and Facebook Marketplace, where you will be able to find a whole manner of second-hand things. Number 2, seek out student discounts in person and online. Make friends with student discounts. Many places in the UK, from restaurants and cinemas, to galleries, gyms, high street stores, and online subscription platforms such as Spotify offer student discounts. Most of them openly advertise their discounts, but if you're not sure, just ask. As a first step, it's worth getting yourself a National Union of Students (NUS) TOTUM card. Membership gives you access to hundreds of student discounts, with more great brands joining every month. Unidays also offers free membership for discounts for university students. Number 3, prepare food at home and cook your own meals. If you want to save hundreds, if not thousands, of pounds per academic year, start preparing the majority of your meals at home. There are lots of student recipes available online to help you cook quickly, healthily and on a budget, for example from BBC Good Food. Batch cook to save time and money. And, also batch cooking, or cooking in bulk, is popular among students. Some students do batch cook swaps with friends so they can have more variety in their meals with very little effort. Or split the cost of ingredients and take turns cooking and washing up. Number 4, get food and household items for free. You may be surprised to find out that platforms exist in the UK where you can get good quality and sometimes high value items completely for free, from food, to clothes, to plants and other household items that people in businesses are giving away. You can also gift your own items to give back to your community during the year or at the end of your studies. Check out Olio and Freecycle in your area to see what's on offer for free and cheap. Have a discussion about energy consumption with your housemates so you can save together. Olio, for example, connects people who have food to share that they no longer want or need with neighbors who would happily receive it. Many large supermarkets such as Tesco, local bakeries and restaurants, among other local businesses, advertise food nearing its sell-by date for you to take home at no cost. You can also list your own items, for example, any food you might have left that you can't finish before you go out of town for a few days or longer. Someone will be happy to take it off your hands. Community Freecycling. Freecycle is another winner when it comes to the free exchange of items, though predominantly clothing, electronics and household goods. You can join one or more local town groups and keep an eye out for anything you might be looking for, or proactively post about things you want to gift or receive. Other members can then reply and you can arrange a pickup time and location. Number 5. Be conscious of your energy consumption. Save money on bills by being conscious and cutting back on the energy your student household consumes on a regular basis. If you're in a shared apartment, it's worth having a discussion as a group, as you will be splitting the costs, so you can share the savings. Keep warm and track your spending. In the UK, if you dress up warmly at home, drink hot drinks regularly and always have a fresh hot water bottle to hand, you might not even feel the need for heating. But if you do, make sure to be mindful of your usage bills to a minimum. Auto timers and smart meters show you your usage as you spend, which can help you keep to budget. Simple tips and tricks to reduce your household bills. Some other hacks include making sure none of your devices are left on standby, using draft excluders under doors, turning off lights when you're not using them, and upgrading to LED light bulbs. Don't run the kettle with more water than you need and use the washing machine only when there are enough clothes, and, where possible, use it on a 30-degree cycle instead of higher temperatures. And switch your bath for a short shower. Number 6. Shop smart and sustainable. In most cities and towns you will find a selection of supermarkets. There will be large superstore-style shops where you can find almost everything, and the opening times vary substantially. If it gets a little late and you need to grab something, you can always get food and other basics at a metro or smaller version of a supermarket or a convenience store, which are usually open until 11:00 and beyond. Shop at low-cost supermarkets. However, when on a student budget, it is also important to shop tactically. Local, smaller stores will often be a lot more expensive, so we recommend going to Morrisons, Lidl or Aldi, 3 of the most student-friendly supermarkets in the UK. A basic weekly shop in these places can cost as little as £30 minus fees. Buy in bulk and shop at store closing times. To keep your grocery costs down, plan your meals in advance, make a shopping list and buy in bulk if it makes sense for you. Try not to go shopping when you're hungry and go to the supermarket at the end of the day or just before closing to see what's in the reduced section. To save further, look to buy supermarket-owned brands as they are much better value. Quality food items without the price tag. And, if you want high-quality fresh ingredients or don't feel like cooking but want to save on the cost of eating out, try Too Good To Go. You can purchase a magic bag, which is made up of items that haven't sold that day, so it's a surprise until you pick it up. All items will be nearing their best before or use by date, and you get them for a fraction of the original price. For example, Costa Coffee sells its magic bag for £3. It gives you the chance to rescue a generous and delicious mix of food of the value of up to £10 ranging from sandwiches, toasties, salads, pastries and cakes. You can even freeze them and save them for later. Number 7. Invest in a national rail card to save 30% on train travel. A national rail card will save you 30% on almost every train journey you take throughout the UK. If you take one long journey during the year, or a couple of shorter ones, you'll already have made your money back. There are a couple of options available, depending on your age, but if you're in full-time education in the UK, you are eligible for the 16/25 student rail card regardless of how old you are. If you study part-time, check out the National Rail Card website to find the best option for you. If you live in London or ever spend time there, you can link your National Rail Card and your Oyster card to get a 34% discount on single off-peak pay-as-you-go fares on London Underground and Docklands Light Railway (DLR) services. Peak times are from 6:30 to 9:29 and from 16:00 to 18:59 on Monday to Friday. During peak travel times, some journeys will cost slightly more and your additional discount will not be applied. Find out more about discounts and linking your rail card and Oyster card on the Transport for London (TfL) website. Number 8. Save on train fares with split ticketing. To save further, try split ticketing. It might sound strange, but instead of buying one single ticket to cover your full journey, you buy multiple tickets to cover different parts, or legs, of your journey. In many cases, you don't even have to change trains. Split ticketing gives the example of a day return trip a customer made from Derby to Liverpool, where they made a saving of 66%, £40.80. The cheapest online fare was £61.50, but by splitting it into two journeys, they made the saving. One ticket was from Derby to Crewe, for £10.30, and the other from Crewe to Liverpool stations, £10.40. Check out Train Split, Split Ticket, Split My Fare and My Train Pal, who, among others, offer this free service, saving you time and, sometimes, lots of money.